Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that in previous class we have started Roman numerals from chapter 2 composite maths, right? So before starting the class I would like to do the home assignment which I have given you yesterday, right? So let us start with the first home assignment first, then we will start doing our class assignment, okay? Here we have the first home assignment. That is question number E from exercise from question number 1 of self practice 2, right? So you have to write this in a Hindu Arabic numeral. So XXX is 30. Okay, I'm writing directly, I'm not writing in a single. So it is V is represented for 5 and plus, then how many I are repeated? 2. So it is 30 plus 5 plus 2. This whole I have written as a 1, this as 1 and this 2 as a one whole number. So 30 plus 5 plus 2 is 35 plus 2. It is 37. So XXXVII will be represented for 37. Or 37 in a Roman numeric form it is represented as XXXVII. Okay. Similarly we have our next question XXIX. So XX will be 20 plus I will be 1. But here we have to remember one thing, that we have to follow the rule number 4. Because I is in the middle and I being a smaller Roman numeral, it will be subtracted from the number which is Roman numeral which is on the right hand side. So it is 10 minus 1. So it is 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 and it is 29. So XXIX is your 29, or 29 if you have to represent in a Roman numeral form you will represent in XXIX. Similar question we have number G, XXV 3 I are there. So 20 for XX plus V is for 5, then 3, it is 28. Okay, last question, last home assignment we have 3, 20, 30, because 3x is 30 plus now this will be deducted out here because 5 minus 1, right? So it is 30 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 and it is 30 plus 4 is 34. Which rule I'm applying here, which rule I'm using here, you must be familiar with that rule till now, I hope. So if you are not clear, please repeat the video which I have given you on the last class. Okay, in that class I have mentioned all the rule. Using that rule I have solved this problem. Okay, so let us now start our class assignment from question number 2. Okay. So question number 2 state that write the Roman numeral for each of the following Hindu Arabic numeral. Now in the previous sum we have converted the Roman numeral form into the Hindu Arabic, and now we are converting Hindu Arabic into the Roman numeral. So if we have to write, we will write one I and another I, because this will represent your 2. 4 1 V. Okay, so V is representing for 5 and there is no such symbol for 4. So to write this 4, we have learned in our previous last class that you have to write the Roman 5 at the right hand side and I at the left hand side, so that it will make you 4, because 5 minus 1 will make you 4, right? Similarly 16 can be written in the form of X V I, because X is for 10 plus V is for 5, then plus 1, it is 16. So in such a manner you will write the Roman numerals also. So 30 XXX is 30 and how many 2 should be there? 2 should be there. So this will be representing your 32. Okay. Question number E we can write this 27 can be written in the form of XX, because this represents 20, then V 25, then 2. Okay, so this is representing your 27. Okay, so number F, G, H will be a home assignment. Alright, this is easy, you'll do it yourself. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 3 from self practice 2. Fill in the boxes using greater than, less than or equal to symbol to make a correct sentence. Okay, so which one is bigger, which one is smaller, that you have to identify. Which one is equal, that you have to choose it here. Okay, and you have to use this symbol for the greater, less than or equal to sign. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, it is 12. So 12 is smaller than 13, or 13 is greater than 12, so we have to write this sign because 13 is greater. So this xii represents your 12. Now xxix will represent 20, and 10 minus 1, it is 20 plus 9, it is 29. So it is 29 equals to 29. So there will be equal to sign. So xxv, 20 plus 5, it is 25. So 25 is bigger or 26? 26 is bigger. So 26 will be there. This sign will be over there, less than sign, because 26 is greater. So 26 is greater than 25, or 25 is less than 26. Similarly, 20, 22 is this, 20, 21, 22. So 22 is greater. So this will be a sign. Number E and F, you will try to do it yourself using the concept how I have done. Okay. Proceeding further to question number 4. Which of the following Roman numerals are meaningless? So student, to solve this problem, you need to have the knowledge of a rule which we have studied in the first day of our chapter 2. Okay, so to do this, number A is valid because here x can be repeated 3 times but not more than 3 times, and v is 1 time here, and 3 is 3 times, so it is valid. Okay, so again this is valid. Okay, so IIX is not valid, or you can say it is a meaningless, because in front of any larger Roman numeral, 2 smaller Roman numeral or more than that cannot stand. Okay, so this is meaningless. This is okay. Vx means it is 10 minus 5, so it is 5, right? So 5 usually it is represented as a V. Okay, so the Roman numeral V may not stand in front of the numeral of larger value, that is x, so it is also meaningless. Alright, and triple Vx, because as I have told you in the first class while stating rule, that V cannot repeat more than 1, but here it is 3 times, so it is also invalid or meaningless. That is why I have said you to remember the rules properly. Similar is the condition here. V cannot be repeated more than 1 time, so it is meaningless. XIX it is valid, it is okay, because 10, and in bracket we'll put 10 minus 1, it is 10 plus 9, it is 19, because 19 we write in this form only. Okay, this is okay. Alright, so student, this much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice and do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.